and others. And we are proposing to create a regional East Africa training and simulation center that will point of care ultrasound, which is the standard of care in primary care, and I'm trained in pediatrics, to really increase the capacity, increase the else in terms of the providers. We're proposing
again,
low-income housing. For part of, we're in this because you're talking about millions of units over the next several years.
Very unique product that differentiates us from all the other Tukwane and Makweni. And there's another county that went into local currency. So now hearing that water is also alongside the solar facilitation, and they can all be under a Kenyan shilling agreement.
to go.
Ready to go. All we need is to expedite the PPA process.
Kenyan government would prefer to work government direct or find a local partner so that we can penetrate the market in the best.
To offer in the energy sector, mainly in technology, clinical. Yeah, so
Okay.
we are available for your efforts, and it would be lovely. It would be lovely for us to be part of this effort.
Okay. All taxes on gas so that we can facilitate more uptake of gas to remove smoke. Again, to also agree with you this, to generate ammonia and fertilizer using hydrogen technology. Is a big program.
Autonomous car without a driver. And actually we found that you can use it from different applications for safe city and smart city, like virtual border, virtual zone.
Okay.